Hello and welcome to Resworth Travel. In this video, we will take you on a tour of Sydney Royal Easter Show. Sydney Royal Easter Show is an annual event held in Sydney, Australia over the Easter period. It is one of the largest and most iconic agricultural shows in Australia and attracts around 1 million visitors each year.
One of these at home with all these speakers around, but you'll still follow our commands. So, as I say, we've got a right and a left command, and with that we have our whistle commands as well. So, if I want him to go to the right, I say back, stop. If I want him to go to the left, it's round, round. And with that, there's a whistle command for that as well. So,
The show features a range of activities and events, including agricultural displays, carnival rides, live entertainments, animal shows, and food stalls. The Sydney Royal Easter Show is a celebration of Australian culture and heritage and has been a beloved tradition for over 150 years. Every week we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour.